Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics that matter. Make sure the device uses the intended SSID and that no VPN or proxy is masking traffic. Once done, plug an Ethernet cable to create a wired baseline. This isolates ISP issues from Wi-Fi problems. Then reboot modem, router, and the affected device in sequence. Power down, wait 30 seconds, power up. Reboots clear buffer backlog and force fresh DHCP assignment, which often immediately reduces packet drops and reveals whether wireless alone is the problem. Next, you dig into interference and configuration. Run a Wi-Fi channel scan on 2, 4 and 5 GHz to identify crowded channels and choose the clearest one. Then adjust channel width. Use narrower widths in dense environments to reduce collisions, wider for speed if clear. Update your router firmware to fix known bugs and enable CO-S to prioritize latency-sensitive traffic for the problem device. Make sure to change SSID or band steering only after confirming stability, because clients may cling to an overloaded band otherwise. To finish, stabilize the environment. Reposition the router centrally and off the floor, away from microwaves, baby monitors, and large metal objects, because physical obstructions cause retransmits. If coverage is weak, add a wired backhaul or a mesh node to eliminate wireless hop losses. Test again, and if packet loss persists, collect router logs and run ping/traceroute during failures to spot where packets are lost. As a last resort, perform a factory reset and reapply only tested settings. That clears hidden misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.